Hey there, you just hit the right video where I'm gonna show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars doing online jobs. And I know you are tired looking for jobs each and every time and you've not been successful, but I'm gonna show you in my videos. Click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. You're gonna find a lot of videos which actually show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars. So you can see I have a number of videos right here which gonna show you how to make thousands and thousands of dollars. So without further ado, go right there, click the subscribe button because I know like this video, check it out so that you can get financial freedom, work from anywhere, work from home, walk in the street, work anywhere, just doing everything online and earning thousands and thousands of dollars. So let's learn how to do this.
Okay, so this video will be about Surveytime. So this is a website that instantly rewards you with $1 for every survey you complete. So this survey you do at whatever time you want, at whatever time you need. So you can take a preview when you go to the website. I will attach a link in the description where you can see this video, and then here we can see the ways you can sign up for this survey. And if you already have an account, just log in directly from there. You can also change your languages to according to whichever language you understand from this language changing section. So let us go straight away to signing up. So signing up, you can either use Facebook, Google, or Twitter, and or straight with, and then you click the box that you agree with the terms and conditions, then you start. You can also click here to learn more, and you can see that it has 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, so it is a good website. And you can see here that there are reviews from people who actually did the survey, and you can see that they have written something there, and you can see that it pays through different payment options. You can see that there is Target, there is PayPal, instant payment, there is Coinbase via Coinbase Bitcoins, there is Amazon gift cards. This is actually a very lucrative deal to deal with, and you can see that there are many people every time popping over here. So without wasting time, I want to show you directly how you're going to, after signing up, you actually just need a Gmail address, and you just click on this icon. After logging in, it brings you to this site where there is a bunch of notes you can just read through. This is where you actually see the start button, the survey. You can actually see that before start, you answer a few questions so that they can match with you the most relevant survey for you, because there are many surveys in the section. So if the survey is related to you, it's recommended for you. So we're going to take a look at the surveys as they are anonymous, and then we can see. Now the first one, you can see it's about the date of birth. You can just select any of these, month, March, year. You can say you're born in 1990, and then you go to the next. This is very easy. You can see this is, you can change it to your language, and then you can see from this section they want to actually tell you that they want to complete this survey as much as possible so that you can get more. So if you see, the moment these surveys are given to you, you just click this I understand and then continue. Then you are now, this is the place where you have to decide, because they're giving you which way do you want to be rewarded. So if you have Amazon gift cards, PayPal, instant via Coinbase, or you can decide later and then click next when you now decided, and then you see this a bunch of ways you can understand this through the language section. You click on English and then you continue. So these surveys are as easy as that way. So click on them and get you a bunch of money. And I think they are very easy that way. You just click next. You can see it's 5 questions out of 31 and you're done. Okay, that was it for this intro video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.